Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you have an older RV, you may have noticed that the ladder up to the roof might have started rusting or wearing away. Now, we contemplated just repairing ours, but when I saw this aluminum ladder from OUTPRIZE, I knew it was going to be so much easier just to replace it. One of the great things about this ladder is that it is a universal size. So we have a 34-foot fifth wheel. It does not have a sloped back end. And so the installation on this was quite easy, although this can accommodate a sloped back also. One of the things I really like about it is also that it connects to the roof. This really adds to the stability and the sturdiness of the ladder. I don't feel like I'm going to fall off backwards going up it or going down it, and it can hold up to 250 pounds. My husband is 180, I'm 140, and I didn't feel shaky on this at all. This gave me total peace of mind and comfort knowing that I can go up and down this ladder without worrying about it coming off of the RV. This took us about an hour and a half to install. You're going to need Phillips head screwdriver, preferably in the electric form. You're going to also need some kind of metal cutter. We used our skill saw with a metal blade to cut through the piping. We also applied silicone to the back of the brackets that attach directly to the RV. This has been the perfect upgrade to our RV. It looks so much better. We are very pleased with the quality and the ease of putting it up, and that's our point of view.